Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add subtitles to your video using the Filmora mobile app. Let's get started. First, open the Filmora app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home screen, tap on New Project, then choose the video you want to add subtitles to and tap Import to bring. Once your video is on the timeline, look at the bottom toolbar and tap on Text and Tiles. Tap on Text. This will open a bunch of text styles options you can use for your subtitles. Just tap on Add. Tap on the text box. In the preview window, a keyboard will pop up. Now just type in the word you want to show, like welcome to my channel, or you can move the text, change its font, color or size using the object below. Now just add anything you want. Now drag the subtitles layer in the timeline to match when the words are being spoken. To add more subtitles, just repeat the step, tap text, choose your style, type your text line and place it in the right spot. Once you are done editing, add all your subtitles, tap play button to preview your video. If it looks good, tap the export icon at the top right. Tap here, choose your settings and save it to your phone. And that's it. We have just added subtitles in the Filmora mobile app. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.